The Paines, from the very beginning, knew that their property would be open to the public. In their deed of gift, which created the Paine Art Center and Gardens, they said that the property should be utilized for the greatest enjoyment of the greatest number of people possible. We were interested in doing a project then, an art project exhibition that encompassed the entire property, so the home and the gardens. We could do something really special at the Paine that's unique.
The nature of light really is an invitation. It's about inviting people to come and see these works in this environment and think about what it means. This is something that we hope is more cerebral, and we're inviting people to not come and just see the experience, but come and be part of the experience.
How do you put those emotions, how do you put wonder or curiosity into an experience? And I think that that involves an element of the unexpected.
Hybby's work is an intersection of mathematics and science in a way that is demonstrated artistically. We strive for our work at Lightswitch to be the same, that obviously so much of what we do is based on color theory and the physics of light and the design of light.
There is a pattern that might describe particle physics. It's like a deep mathematical concept, but what it does is that in various views of it, in various dimensions of it, it combines together to form these beautiful resonant patterns.
The patterning that we've done in the shape cannot exist on a two-dimensional surface. So the only way you can get this tessellating experiences is by wrapping it over a three-dimensional shape.
Of course, the structure of the universe would be beautiful to us, and like maybe in fact that's where the concept of beauty comes from, is that it resonates with literally the atoms that make up our bodies and the entire world.
We all have ways that we look at nature, ways that we look at flora and fauna, ways that we look at the grown environment that are based very much on daylight. A lot of the work that we do here at Paine for the nature of light is putting fixtures in unexpected places. Look at a tree and really enjoy and embrace the shape of the structure of the tree. Look at a leaf. Look at the way that a leaf responds to color.
You become immersed in the light. The shadows and the patterns that you'll see on the ground will also then come and cover your body, will cover your face.
I hope that some of our younger guests come away from the nature of light with an understanding about the intersection of all of these different subjects.
Math, geometry can be a form of creativity. It can be a form of art. So if someone cannot draw or they don't feel comfortable painting, but they feel comfortable at math, then there's an opportunity for them to be creative.
And that's what we're trying to do, is to create opportunities for people to feel, something in their heart, like welling up into their minds.
I've described the Paine as a sleeping giant. So kind of the wonder of the giant is there, has always been there. But once we woke the giant up, the giant started singing and dancing. And so I think this is the giant pulling out all the stops, like really showing off just how special this place is.